Guys, in this video we will see how to run Windows Update troubleshoot in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you try to install Windows latest update and fail to install Windows latest update, then first workaround should be Windows Update troubleshoot. To do so, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option troubleshoot. This is an inbuilt tool of any Windows system, and here choose other troubleshooters. If your Windows update not installing or downloading, then you can run Windows update troubleshooters. Click on run button against Windows update and a new window will open. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, fixed accordingly. So if you are facing Windows Update troubleshoot, then you must run Windows Update troubleshoot. Here you will have to ask option which problem are you experiencing. I can't download, install or uninstall an update. I installed an update but that update has caused a problem. Choose as per your problem, and if you choose I can't download, install or uninstall an update, can we run the Windows Update automated diagnostic? Choose yes. And please wait while I try to find the problem. Windows inbuilt tool, Windows Update troubleshoot will diagnose your system, and if any problem found, it will notify you and try to fix them accordingly. So wait for some times. You can see checked for Windows Update errors found. The Windows Update diagnostic failed to run. I am sorry, I was unable to run Windows Update diagnostic. Would you like to talk to agent? Choose yes and follow on screen instruction to complete the Windows Update process. That's all.